ladies and gentlemen, we have safely landed at Dubai International Airport. The local time is 9:30 a.m. and the temperature outside is a warm 35 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, we kindly ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. On behalf of Captain Domingo and the entire Emirates team, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for choosing to fly with us. We look forward to serving you again in the near future. Enjoy your stay in Dubai and thank you for flying Emirates.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai City. Discover the iconic skyline, the bustling streets, and the vibrant energy that never stops.